Good morning, students. I am your PE teacher. Hope all of you are doing fine. Today I will show you some exercises related to yoga. Rishi Patanjali is the founder of yoga. Yoga helps us to stay fit and keeps our mind fresh. Okay, let's start with some warm up. Next, arm swing. Then reverse. Okay, next. Okay, I will show you now exercises. First exercise, cycle pose. Cycle pose. Release. After 5 to 10 seconds, then again repeat. Next, number 2, close up. Hold your both legs after 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly release. Again, hold, then release. Slowly up. Now I will show you the asana, named Vajrasana. Remember, if you are doing yoga on a mat, then no need to wear shoes. Then bend your knees. Sit. This is the right procedure to sit in yoga. Now up, sidewise for Namaskar position. Then down and first right hand backward, then left hand backward, again right hand forward, then left hand forward, and up. This exercise helps to reduce belly fat. Now close your eyes for 1 minute. After 1 minute, rub your hands and place on your eyes. Again rub your hands. Now place on your neck. Then slowly open your eyes and up. Thank you, class. That's all for today. Practice this exercise at your home. Stay home and wash your hands. I will see you all in next week.